Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we have solved a problem regarding fire insurance claim loss of stock. Today, we are going to solve December 2019 CMA examination question regarding fire insurance claim which comes under loss of stock. So let's begin. Problem number 3. On 2/6/2019, the stock of Mr. Arjun was destroyed by fire. However, following particulars were furnished from the record saved. Stock at cost on 1/4/2018 is 1,35,000. Stock at 90% of cost on 31/3/2019 is 1,62,000. Purchases for the year ended on 31/3/2019 is 6,45,000. Sales for the year ended on 31/3/2019 is 9 lakh. Purchases from 1/4/2019 to 2/6/2019 is 2,25,000. Sales from 1/4/2019 to 2/6/2019 is 4,80,000. Along with the question, certain adjustment is given. So let's go through it. Sales up to 2/6/2019 included rupees 75,000 being the goods not dispatched to the customers. Purchases up to 2/6/2019 included a machinery acquired for rupees 15,000. Purchases up to 2/6/2019 does not include goods worth rupees 30,000 received from the supplier as invoices not received up to the date of fire. The goods have remained in the godown at the time of fire. The insurance policy is for rupees 1,20,000 and it is subject to average clause. Ascertain the amount of claim for loss of stock. While going through the given data, we can conclude that gross profit is not directly given. If it was given, we can directly jump to preparation of memorandum trading account. Based on the question, first you have to prepare trading account, then memorandum trading account, then calculate actual value of stock loss, and finally calculate net claim as per the average clause. Before preparing trading and memorandum trading account, we have to be very careful with those adjustments given in the question. Based on this adjustment, we have to make certain changes in the trading and memorandum trading account, which we will see while solving the problem. Let's crack the solution. First, we need to prepare trading account. In trading account, we record previous year transaction. So let's start. Opening stock, which is directly given in the question. The amount is 1,35,000. Next, purchase, which is also directly given in the question. Amount is 6,45,000. Next, sales. The sales amount is 9 lakh rupees. Next is closing stock. The closing stock is given in the question is 90% of cost. We need to know 100% of cost. So we need to calculate it. Here 90% of cost is given as rupees 1,62,000. From the given data, 90% of cost is 1,62,000 and 100% of cost is not given in the question. To calculate it, just cross multiply. Then we get 1,62,000 into 100 divided by 90. We get 1,80,000. By calculating, we got closing stock amount as 1,80,000. then the credit side value will be 10,80,000. As you all know, this value is obtained by adding above two values. From this we can understand that credit side is having higher value. Then we need to balance both sides. Balancing figure will be the gross profit value. This value is obtained by deducting debit side from the 10 amount of 10,80,000. By calculating, we got gross profit value as 3 lakh rupees. Next, we need to calculate gross profit ratio. In order to calculate gross profit ratio, there is an equation, that is gross profit divided by sales into 100. Here gross profit value is 3 lakh rupees and sales amount is 9 lakh rupees. So substitute it in a equation. 3 lakh divided by 9 lakh into 100. Then we get 33.33%. Next, we need to prepare memorandum trading account. In memorandum trading account, we record current year transaction. Before recording those transactions, we have to be very careful with those adjustments given in the questions. Start. Opening stock. Opening stock amount obtained from the previous year closing stock amount, that is 1,80,000. Next, purchase, which is directly given in the question, that is amount rupees 2,25,000. But certain adjustment is given in the question. So let's read. Purchases up to 2/6/2019 does not include goods worth rupees 30,000 received from supplier, as invoice not received up to the date of file. These goods have remained in the godown at the time of file. Here, amount of 30,000 is not included in the current purchase value of rupees 2,25,000 because invoice is not received. But good worth rupees 30,000 is destroyed in fire, so we need to add it with the purchase amount. So we need to add the amount of rupees 30,000. Then we get 2,55,000. 2,55,000. There is one more adjustment given in the question, that is purchases up to 2/6/2019 included a machinery acquired for rupees 15,000. Here 15,000 is included in the current purchase value, but it is an fixed asset which cannot be included in the current year purchase, so we have to deduct it. That means 15,000 have to be deducted. Then we get 2,55,000 minus 15,000. We get 2,40,000. Next, sale. Here current year sale amount is rupees 4,80,000, but some adjustment is given related to sale, that is sales up to 2/6/2019 includes rupees 75,000 being the goods not dispatched to the customers. It means that actual sales not take place, but it is added in the current year sale. We have to reduce 75,000 from 4,80,000. 4,80,000 minus 75,000. We get 4,05,000. Next, we need to calculate gross profit. For that, gross profit ratio is already calculated earlier, that is 33.33% on sales. Here, sales value is 4,05,000. That means 33.33% on 4,05,000. 0.33% on 4,05,000. Then rounding off, we get 1,35,000. By adding these three amounts, we get 5,55,000. Here, debit side having higher value, then we need to balance each side. Then the balancing amount will be the closing stock amount. This amount is obtained from deducting 4,05,000 minus 5,55,000. Next, we need to calculate actual value of stock lost. It requires two data, that is stock at the date of fire, next stock salvage. Stock salvage means amount of stock saved from the fire. Here the stock at the date of fire is obtained from the closing stock figure of memorandum trading account. And stock salvage is not given in the question, that means salvage amount is nil. So stock at the date of fire is 1,50,000. Stock salvage is nil. Then we get value of stock lost is 1,50,000. Next, we need to calculate net claim. In order to calculate net claim, there is an equation, that is actual loss of stock into policy value divided by value of stock as on date of fire. Actual loss of stock is stock which is already calculated here, and we get 1,50,000, and the policy value is directly given in the question, and value of stock as on date of fire is obtained from the closing stock of memorandum trading account. Actual loss of stock is 1,50,000 into policy value which is directly given in the question is 1,20,000 divided by value of stock as on date of fire which is obtained from the closing stock of memorandum trading account amount is 1,50,000. Then we get net claim as 1,20,000. Hence, we got net claim as 1,20,000. This is one of the important questions asked for CMA Intermediate December 2019 examination. So we have covered loss of stock and some important questions in this and previous video. Next video we will be discussing about loss of profit.